Welcome to the Bright Ideas podcast series brought to you by the American Academy of Optometry Foundation in collaboration with the Innovation Council. In this episode, host Andrew Pucker talks to Luis Lopez and Rafael Clergio about Clair.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Andrew Pucker. I am the lead topical editor for the American Academy of Optometry Foundation's clinical podcast series. And today we're doing a special episode where we want to highlight some of our pitch competition finalists. The pitch competition is a new program from the AAOF, which specifically is goaled at or tasked at accelerating the development of cool products that can help us in eye care. Today, I have with us Luis and Rafael, and they're going to tell us about their products. So I'm going to let them introduce themselves first, and then we'll get into their product. So Luis?
Hello, everybody. My name is Luis. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Clair. That is a platform that hosts applications to help eye care professionals to fit specialty contact lenses. My background is company management, and I have experience in more than 20 years in the pharmaceutical medical device industry, mainly on ophthalmology.
Hi everyone, my name is Rafael and I'm optometrist. I spend all my time dedicating to specialty contact lens fitting, and these last 10 years I've been head of technical support department in a contact lens laboratory manufacturer. And during all these years we could take advantage of all this know-how, and we applied to our project, our Clair project.
So the two of you have a lot of experience with contact lenses technology. Could you please give us maybe a 30-second overview of the product and how this might help ODs?
Yes, so our platform will host the most innovative web apps, so web-based applications that will provide virtual technical support to the eye care professionals. As I mentioned previously, I spent all my last 10 years providing technical support to eye care professionals, and I noticed that specialty lens fittings require chair time, are technically difficult. So we decided to use a specific wizard web app system that will guide step-by-step eye care professionals, so they will never forget any vital data information. And it will perform as well very complex calculations. So it will calculate first lenses and will provide technical support on each lens that eye care professionals are using. So they will be more autonomous. They will have more autonomy in their practice instead of contacting, sending emails or calling to the technical support lab.
So that sounds like a really cool thing, and I'm a contact lens practitioner myself, and like thinking about it, so I could use this to make a multifocal gas permeable lens for a patient, and I can do most of that in my practice, you're saying?
Yes, exactly. So the idea, we will develop apps for three big families: ortho-K, multifocal lenses, and irregular cornea, no matter GP corneal lenses, scleral or hybrid lenses. The thing is that the vast majority of troubleshooting, you can solve it in practice in live. So you can say goodbye to your patient and the lens is already ordered. Don't need to dedicate more time to it.
This is a time saver, and it sounds like it could even expand your practice because you don't have to think so hard of it. Maybe even get more practitioners into fitting hard contact lenses or specialty lenses.
Exactly. That's awesome. The idea.
So we know some about the features now, but how would you plan to get this to market? What do you need to do to market your product? What kind of tools do you still need to develop at this point?
Yeah, for that purpose, we already closed the first investment round as we are a startup, and that allowed us to build the platform and to build the first app that is for the orthokeratology lens, CRT. And the platform is ready to be used. It works on a credit system. So we charge 5 credits, that is more or less $5 per lens calculated. And it's ready. And all the ODs in the world can use the platform as it is at the moment. To market and to expand the business, we are open to, and we are pushing to do partnerships with contact lens manufacturer, because our goal is to build a lot of applications, brand-based applications, in order to populate our platform. And we want ODs to see our platform as a toolbox, not as a website. They have a patient in the office, and they know that in Claire they will find a solution for the patient.
That's great. So you've already benefited from being in the pitch program. It's been quite a long process, and you're now, you're still in it. But what are maybe the one or two top things that you think you benefited from being in the program?
Definitely, it was the projection, the buzz around all the noise making around the AAO competition. That was the first one, and we were very excited to enter into it. But basically, it was networking, and specialty during the meeting in San Diego, we were able to network with other companies, to a lot of eye care professionals, and basically we managed to have a lot of meetings with contact lens manufacturers in order to build more apps. So to create partnerships, what was the ideal goal for our presence in this competition.
That's awesome. So are there any closing remarks that you want to let our listeners know about your product or your company?
Yeah, basically what we want to replicate in the rest of the world, the success that we have in our test market, that it was in Europe. We managed to use this application. We tested for more than 1 year. And as a distributor of specialty contact lens, we managed to increase by 10% numbers of lens sold, to reduce the lens changes, and specialty to allow all these to have more patients and more time in the office. So we want to replicate this all over the world. That's our goal.
From the technical part, technical point of view, you and Andrew as a fitter, you will understand that to start new fittings, you will have to pass over a learning curve. And our results showed that the learning curve is way too faster than the usual process. So we want the eye care professionals to get more confidence in specialty lenses, knowing that they can feel comfortable in a short time period.
That's all great stuff. So I'd like to thank Luis and Rafael for joining us today. I'd like to thank our listeners for tuning in, and of course, tune in for more pitch competition ideas to help jumpstart your practice in optometry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.